Are you struggle to learning this language? Are you so much struggling to improving your English skills, English speaking skills? So just you need to watch this video and get your fluency together. If you want to truly wanted to improve your English speaking, just you do. I will give some. I will give 7 realistic way to improve English day by day. Just you do it, and you feel and you get your fluency is a very soon. Okay. So hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and it's a very morning time. I record video because I have no time to recording video as well as working, doing. So I try to record today's video. It's a very morning. It's more than 5 o'clock. It's morning. So without any further delay, let's start the video. How to improve 7 realistic way to improve English speaking. First is speaking daily. Yes, speaking daily. If you want to improve your English speaking skills, if you want to speak English with fluency, with front of so many peoples, so you just need to do these tips. If even it's a small conversation, yes, it's a small conversation is very important role play to our life to speaking English language skills. Yes, you not need to speak very large topic. You not need to speak very big conversation with other peoples, with other English exchanging partner. You just need to small and do it each and every day. Okay, if you have any partner, so is this waste. If you not have any partner exchanging language partner, so you just go to apps and start speaking. And second is watch English content with subtitle. Yes, you heard right. Watch English content each and every day with subtitle, because subtitle is very helpful to improve your English speaking. Just you improve your small bit your English speaking with subtitle, then you try to watch English cartoons, movies, TV show, whatever you think depend your interest. Then you then you watch again without subtitle. Yes, so watch English content with subtitle is most. If you're beginning days, then you try to increase your watching content without subtitle. Okay. And third is read aloud. Yes, reading is most play role in this learning journey, because reading aloud is most important for your pronunciation, for your speaking skills, for your uh, reading skills. Okay, so read aloud each and every day, and mention your daily routine. Okay, read aloud, mention your daily routine. Even you not have so much time to giving a read, so you just need to small, just 20 minutes, 30 minutes is enough to read aloud. Okay, reading books, articles, and any social media's post to read aloud. And reading aloud, it's must to help you increase your pronunciation and increase your confidence level. Okay, just you need to read aloud and get your confidence more. And fourth is use flashcard to spend your improved vocabulary. Just you use flashcard and create something new, and get some vocabularies to improve your confidence level, to get your confidence level and build your vocabulary strong each and every day, every single day. It is more than little bit, but it's improve your confidence and improve your vocabulary. And fifth is join English communication groups. Yes, join English communication groups is very helpful for speaking English speaking language, and find your local groups to communicate English speaking. Where are you people speaking, communicate with other. So it's very helpful for you, and improve your English each and every day. If this platform is very helpful and improve your English every day. And six is record yourself in English. Yes, you should record yourself in English every single day. It's need to improve. It's very most important play a role to improving our language. Okay, so you just need to uh, if you not have so much time there, so you should try to record yourself minimum 1 minute 2 minute, as well as just you improve your English speaking practice. Then you try to increase your recording video just minimum 5 minutes 10 minutes. Okay, so recording video is very help to improve your making mistakes. Where are you making mistakes, and find your make mistakes, grammar mistakes, pronunciation mistakes. Then you try to remove those are mistakes and improve your English vocabulary, improve your English speaking practice. Okay, and final is seventh is focus on listening. Yes, focus on listening every single day without missing every single day. Just you need to focus your listening, improve your English listening. So just you try to listen English podcast, English TV show, English movies. These are so much videos, so much channels to available in social media, in YouTube. Just you need to go and watch and listening practice is good habit to improving English language for learners, for strugglers. So you should listening skills is too much help to uh, English improve. Okay, with podcast with subtitle. Focus on listening skills and get your fluency day by day. Just you again and again listen podcast whatever if you like. So then your mind is going to familiar that are words it's very familiar with listening. So improve your listening skills day by day and improve your English speaking, pronunciation, vocabulary, and get confidence and get fluency. So that are tips. If you do this, then you will feel, then you will achieve your speaking skills. So if you like that video, please like, subscribe my channel, and hit the bell icon. So we'll meet till the next video. Take care and bye bye.